Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the spot mowing feature on MOVA LiDAX 1000. In order to use it, you will need to select, click here where it says most likely all area, and you'll need to select spot. Then you can set a spot. You can set a spot and it can be set remotely or by tapping. First I'll show you the tapping feature. I think it's just easier that way, but sometimes it'll be more useful to set it remotely. So let's tap to set, tap somewhere, it creates a spot. Now you can resize it. It has to be at least 1 by 1 meter. I'll do it like that. Yeah. And then I can basically, and now, well, okay, now I have created a spot, and then I can click on start. Well, I need to select it. Yeah, then I can click on start. That spot will likely be saved for later, so I could do it again in the same spot. You can just click on start and it'll start mowing. You can also set a spot remotely. To do it, when you click on it, it'll make the robot go out of its station. It may take a moment because it'll calibrate, and I'll get back to you and we'll just set it. Okay, now it's there, and I can just move the robot to a certain spot. Go to the other side. And then I can click on set spot and it'll set it in that place. Of course, it doesn't make it so that you can draw it by going with the robot. It just sets the center of the spot and then you can move it still or adjust it. It's great for larger areas when you need to know exactly where to set it and you can't really locate it on the map. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.